What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And just like me, if you're not only waiting for the Galaxy S22 series and you are waiting for the Tab S8 series, then here's the details which you need to know about the Tab and also its live images and the other specifications which has been revealed. Now if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. Now earlier we saw the CAD renders of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with the notch with the courtesy of OnLeaks and 91 Mobile, but now it's from the Let's Go Digital. We have the high quality images of that Tab S8 Ultra and it will be launched at the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. Now what we also have is the detailed specifications of this tablets and also the leak prices and also some official stuff to talk about. But first, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is in its full glory and it is still the thinnest bezels we have ever seen on a tablet that houses a notch. Now not only that, it shows a lot of the good quality image of the tab and it's a poor quality lighting over there. But not only that, the bezels of the Tab S8 Plus is almost as identical towards the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Now the photo doesn't reveal everything details about this tab, but thankfully towards the leaked marketing materials that bears all the design elements which have been following towards the tech news, the Tab S8 Ultra will even though come with a useful feature and it will be the camera and the notch will just not be for there towards the ugliness of the notch. The tab will come with the focus auto framing focus just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 where it will keep a track of the subject using pan and zoom as they move around, and not only that, it's the feature we have also seen on the new iPad. Now Samsung is also bringing this feature towards the S8 Ultra, and not only that, the other details is we know about the Tab S8 Ultra and the S8 will be coming with the Amoled Display while the LCD panel will be used in the regular S8. Now all three of these tablets will be offering a 120 Hz of high refresh rate and they are pretty sharp too. Interestingly, the RAM of the S8 Ultra will go up to 16 GB of RAM and a half a terabyte of storage, and they will also be having a micro SD slot for an expandable storage. Now the battery capacity and the weight is also a different one over here, and it's noteworthy despite of 16 inches of display on the Tab S8 Ultra, it weighs at 728 grams. Now not only that, this has also been achieved with the thickness as it's just at 5.5 mm of thickness, which is ridiculously low, and it will be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor only, and there will not be any kind of Exynos processor in these lineup. Now what do you think about these tablets and the pricing, which starts at 700 euros and it will go up to 1200 euros for the Ultra. Now this pricing is a very heavy one over this side and it's more compared towards the iPad Pro. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and vote it in the community poll if you think that the Tab S8 Ultra will be worth its money. Now if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.